Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Skylight calendar Wi-Fi isn't working, the problem may not always be the calendar itself. A network can appear available while still preventing the device from completing its connection, especially when router restrictions, compatibility settings, or network security are involved. Skylight recommends testing another network to isolate the cause, while Apple confirms that maximized compatibility on an iPhone hotspot forces a more broadly compatible 2.4 GHz or WPA2 connection. So this time, instead of repeating the earlier reset and blocklist steps, we are using a network compatibility test to narrow down the problem. 1. Open settings, then go personal hotspot on your iPhone. 2. Turn on allow others to join. 3. Enable maximize compatibility on iPhone 12 or later. 4. Open Skylight's Wi-Fi list and select your iPhone hotspot. 5. Enter the hotspot password and connect the calendar. 6. Compare the result with your normal home Wi-Fi connection.